Hello, in this video I'm going to be teaching you on the subject of low content books. There's a question about what are low content books, and I'm just going to review on what they are. So first, before we begin, we're going to talk about no content books. And this is basically just a few items, and no content is really what it means. It's really no contents inside the actual journal itself. So it would have blank pages and literally it's just blank. There's nothing in it at all, and there'll just be a nice cover, and then there'll just be a blank pages all around the book. And another way you can look at it is that no content would just typically mean blank line pages. Again, there's no actual design inside the interior. There's no questions or anything at all. It's just lines across the pages for people to just fill out, whether it be just for notes, meetings, or for their classes. And that is why it's called no content books. Moving forward, we're going to talk about the low content books, and it's going to mean what it says. It's just low content. There's a little bit of content, but it's not so much content where it's like a actual book. So a little bit of content is inside of the low content book. So things you can think about are just journals that maybe provide just a little bit of context on what you should do, maybe with a little bit of direction. So for example, there's some that I just put right here, such as a fitness tracker, a recipe book, habit tracker, gratitude journal, event planners, weekly, monthly planners. They're a little bit different than no content books because there is some content inside the book itself. One of the best things about this is you can start creating your own low content books for your journals. The question I have for you is, what is your dream book that's not invented yet? A lot of people are inventing new types of journals, new planners, new trackers. I think the best route for this is to actually design something that's not even invented yet. And so I encourage you, if you're looking to design a journal, maybe you want to get into a new hobby, a new business, this is something to think about. So what is your dream book that's not invented yet?